Today I want to show you how to enter field details from your phone. What you'll want to do is go to answertech.com, click on the three buttons up in the corner to log in. Once you're logged in, you'll see your 9 PIN. Clicking on that will show you your available applications. We'll want to click on R7 tool. Once you've landed on the R7 page, you'll see their farm and field list. If they are subscribed in the field monitoring tool, you'll notice a circle next to the field name. That's showing you their trend status. Click on any field. You have current season field details, any notes that you have on that field, and the most recent in-season imagery. By clicking on the pencil in the current season box, you can enter accurate planting information, crop, brand, and product. Hit save to save your information. Field details are really important for two specific reasons. The first reason is you need to have the proper field information to make the field monitoring tool more accurate. Also, by having your hybrid information entered in this field details panel, it will allow you to make better recommendations based off of the in-season data we're collecting and the hybrid's specific score. What's great about the mobile access is if you have requested grower access for your customers, they can log in, see their own fields, and enter the field details themselves. They could even enter them right as they're planting the field.